Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to turn off keyboard touch vibration in your phone or tablet. Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. First of all, if you touch navigation button or if you touch on the tiling keyboard, there will be a vibration. Okay, I experience vibration. If you would like to turn off this vibration, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of tablet here, then go to sound here, and you will find one option touch vibration. Just to turn off this button so that you will not get any touch vibration hereafter while going through a keyboard or while going through navigation. There will be no vibration. So in this way you can easily turn off touch vibration for keyboard and navigation and others in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.